Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come with another video. This video is recommended by the user. Today in this video you will get the mechanical course. Before getting started, I hope you are safe during these days. It's better to learn something than to sit at your place doing nothing. So why don't we learn something instead of just wasting our time? So once again, thank you to all for giving precious response on the previous video. In this video, I will give all the details of the course. If you want any free course which I have not given, then fill the Google form which will be given in the description. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video, and you can also join the Telegram group. So let's get started. The course name is Basic of Electrical Vehicle Simulation using Ansys. The course can be done by electrical, electronics and mechanical students. In this course, you will learn Ansys SpaceClaim plus Measure, Ansys Fluent and many more things. Here you can see the key modules which are battery thermal management system, electrical motor design, DC to DC converter design, external aerodynamics. Here you can see the course syllabus module. The first module is Basic of Electrical Vehicle Simulation. Second module is Why Electric Vehicle. Third module is Vehicle Architecture. Fourth module is Fundamental of Battery for EV application. Fifth module is Heat Transfer Modeling for Battery. Sixth module is Simulating a BTMS. Seventh module is EV Motor Sizing and Motor Drive Analysis Introduction. Eighth course is Motor Power Estimation, Motor Sizing. Ninth module is External Aerodynamics. 10th module is DC to DC Converter. The course is for students pursuing a BE or BTech in Mechanical, Automotive, Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Fresher looking to learn about the fundamental of electric vehicle simulation. Here in the certification, top 5 of the class will get a merit certificate. Course completion certificate will be provided to all the students. In the professional portfolio, automatically link your technical project e-verify profile that can be shared on LinkedIn. For enrolling, you have to click on login and enroll. You can log in via Google, Facebook, LinkedIn and Yahoo. After successfully logging, you have to click on I agree. Then you have to verify your account. The OTP will come to your email ID. After entering OTP, click on validate OTP. After login, go to the course page. Then click on enroll now. After that, enter your details and click on submit. And you will successfully enroll the course. Then go to your profile and click on dashboard. And then enter your country and state information and click on submit. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Thank you.